Hello everyone, my name is Tim and I'm with danselectronics.com. Today I have with me the all-new Smart TV remote control from LG. Now this is the AN-MR20GA. Now this remote will have the voice on it. It's going to have the smart Netflix and Amazon buttons, and it will have the movies along with many other features. Now this remote control will have to be paired with your TV, but no worries, I'm going to have those instructions below this video and also on our website. Now if you would like to purchase this remote control, give us a call toll-free at 1-855-553-6683 and our friendly staff will be glad to help you. Or as always, log on to danselectronics.com and you can make the order there.